What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and we have another upgrade. That's this guy right behind me that's going on our Silverado, so let's dive into this. Before I do though, don't forget, hit subscribe. You can follow all the stuff that we're doing to the Silverado and a lot of our other projects. Just hit the button down below. All right, so I've said this for a while that I need to get some tube steps. I did search Amazon. There was a lot of great products on Amazon. Let me just say that flat out. In fact, I'll link those down below. If you have a Silverado or a Sierra, you'll be able to grab those and check them out. So I was looking at the Havocs, I was looking at the HDXs, I was looking at just a bunch of them. Obviously, you've got a range from what it is you like and what you're doing with your truck to include from the scale on pricing. So you can go from a lot of these new i-boards all the way up to like what we have here from GM. And there is a significant cost difference. In fact, these are the most expensive running boards I have bought to date. Again, the links to this product and all the other ones will be down below. So if you're interested, hit those. What do we got today? We have the GM 841-64549 off-road running board for your Sierra or for your Silverado. So this is the box that it came in. The box is a little beat up, but look at how big this thing is. So I'm gonna pop this open, move this stuff out of the way here. Let me kind of position the camera here. We're gonna pop this open, take a look at it, and then of course I'm gonna install this on the truck. I did have to wait a couple of weeks for these to come in. The dealer did not stock these. Depending on your area and obviously what your dealer does stock will depend on the length and weight. Now these retail for, again, a whopping $795, which puts you close as far as running boards go in the higher echelon for any kind of running board, and almost to the point of like the Amp Research folding or automatic running boards as well. So take that into consideration. Again, links to all this stuff will be down below. So I'm opening this guy up. This side is taped. Hopefully nothing falls out of this box. All right, so let me show you kind of what's, there we go. Okay, so let me show you what this looks like. If you do buy this, there it is. Now, this is one of the main reasons why, if you watch the Dodge Ram video where I got the Mopar tube steps, this I really like. The manufacturers have really stepped up, especially when it comes to GM, Mopar, and all those guys on this stuff. This is it. I mean, so these are their off-road boards. Let me move this out of the way. Brackets are already, brackets are already tightened and on there. So you can see driver, passenger. We have the crew cab, so obviously it's a four-door. Let me pop this up. There it is. You got your little, your speed clips. So this is gonna be a super simple install, simply because I'm willing to bet that all of these mounts are already pre-drilled under the truck and everything else. Let me put the hardware down and open up this side right here. So again, it's the same on both sides. They did a great job, in my opinion, on packaging these. So this is what they look like in the box. So let me get rid of the box and then we'll take a look at them on the workbench. All right, so I have it sitting here on the workbench. This is what they look like. Let me give you kind of a close-up look at them. These things are super heavy. That doesn't pop off, because I was gonna say they are. For a running board, this is probably the heaviest running board I've seen, and they are very stout. Obviously, they must be using, I would guess, some kind of machine or robot that does these welds. They're seamless, they're kind of ugly. They definitely don't care about having that nice staggered look, but they're obviously got a nice black powder coat finish on the bottom side. So the brackets, again, these are secured. They're not loose. I'm obviously gonna have to put these clips in. I didn't see any directions. There's the underside of them. So, okay, so this is, again, all powder coated, full metal under it. It's not just like a hoop out, it's the full thing. So you can see right there, the whole bottom of these pads, right here, that's complete. I mean, that pad is literally just covering the front of it. So, really nice heavy duty design on this thing. I'm excited to get it on there because this with the truck obviously matches their, I've seen different versions, the rally version, the Dale Earnhardt Jr. truck and whatever, the off-road package. This actually goes with that. This is black because this is the new colors, to whereas the sports bar and the nudge bar are kind of a grayish. But it will complement and go really well with the truck. So I'm gonna get this stuff out to the truck. We're gonna do a quick install and take a look at it. All right, guys, so let me show you kind of how this works. So they are marked drivers and passenger side. There's 2 packages of hardware. These clips, I'm gonna show you where they go, and then I'll show you how this top mounts. A little overexposed. So we're gonna go under the truck. So these clips are gonna line up right here. And then we're gonna clip it to this, so it is going to the body side there. Well, let me, where is it? So you've got those, and then you've got some of these holes up here. That is where it's gonna end up going. And it does have a left and a right side. It's actually located on the sticker in the back here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of mock this thing up, lift it up, put it up where it needs to be, and then hopefully just bolt this bad boy in. So each side comes with, how many of these? 6, 7, 8 of these, and you need a 13 mil socket. And then you've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these clips as well. So obviously we're gonna have to pop out some of these. See if I can get it in there. It's kind of tight in here. So you've got, let me try to move it here. So you've got these, and then you're gonna pop them out and put the clips in. So again, I'm gonna try to position this. It's gonna be kind of difficult to see. I'll show you guys afterward, but let's go ahead and do a quick install on this. Let me straighten you out a little bit. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. And so on some of these, it looks like the front is already toward the front. It actually has 2 threaded ports already in there. So I'm hoping that those hook up. That way I can just throw these up there and have my mock up. But it does look like this rear, I'm gonna have to pop these other 2 off, but let's try to get this thing up in the air and then go from there. All right, guys, so we're wrapping this up right now. This is what they look like right there. So it just takes a little bit of time, super simple install. Again, there it is. Show you guys kind of what it looks like. From the kind of stepping point, you have a very sturdy, very big pad to step on getting into this truck. Once again, so these are Again, pretty expensive. They look great. They're heavy duty. They feature huge pads that are fully welded, and I am going to bet that they're not going to rust and we're not going to see any issues with these. Obviously, directly bolt up. Should take you about 20 minutes. You need that 13 mil. I'd get a flathead to pop the plugs. Take your time, and you pretty much got it from there. You'll see these in future episodes. Again, the links to this product's down below. Let me show you again, kind of a further look. So again, the links for this product and some other comparable running boards, side steps for your Chevy or GMC, link down below. I'm Anthony. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, hit subscribe. We appreciate that. Comment if you have questions or anything else. Hey guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you're out riding or driving, do it safely.